Hello, traders out there in Traderland. D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. The market's up 115 points. Dow up 115 points. A big rally. NASDAQ up 1.5% on the S&P, 1.6% on the Russells. VIX dropping 1%. Didn't drop as much as I would hope to have seen. I'd like to have seen that 3 times this. So it'd put us around 5% drop, but we didn't see that. Now, here we are on the S&P daily doing the bullish move. Check this out. Let me get rid of my crosshairs. Bam, man, this thing popped up over these highs right here, over this trend line. Now this trend line, pretty beefy little trend line. It got tested here, resistance, 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 and here we are, resistance, and it just cracked up above them. Very nice to see that. We continue to be bullish. Breaking news out today that the White House says to expect several hundreds of thousands of jobs to still be lost. Even in the face of such grim news, the markets continue northbound. Very, very bullish. Now, let's look. I'm going to go way back in time here. And I'm drawing a Fibonacci. A lot of you guys don't know what Fibonacci's are, but I'm going to the very high here to the very low on the Fibonacci. And we are approaching the 38.2 right now. We're getting very close to that. That would be 1014 area. And that could be a resistance area. You can see this till line coming across. Let me show you where that derives. Resistance, resistance right here. Okay. So let's go back in time. Following this line right here, this line, and we're knocking at the door of that line right there. So we have resistance coming in around 1006 area, 1007 area as resistance. After that, 1014. So know that those two areas can act as resistance, or we could just plow right through them. Now that we busted out, day 2 is very important to me. I need to see continuation, meaning that I need to see a higher high. I'm not going to get overly excited about this run here unless I can get another high. We just popped up over resistance. I want to see a second high come out of this. I'd like to see it close beyond like maybe 1008. That would be nice to see. Or even over 1014, like at 1015 or higher. That would be a great bullish move. Now, you have to be careful. We're very extended here in the markets. But I went bullish. Again, I was on Thursday, I unloaded all but maybe 1 or 2 of my longs. Friday, I went golfing all day, played 36 holes. And then today, reloaded a number of long positions. Now I hedge myself by days in, so regardless of what happens tomorrow, I don't care. I'll unload either my longs or my hedge, which happens to be TWM, which is the inverse on the Russells. It's an ultra ETF on the inverse on the Russells, TWM. Now, Matador and I had been doing our first group mentoring session, and he forgot to do the noon video. He wanted me to extend to everybody out there his apologies for skipping the noon video. That was an accident, and we ask for your forgiveness. Sorry about that. We'll not let that happen again, or to our best of our abilities, we won't let that happen again. So, thank you for being a part of Free Trading Videos. Tell all your friends and anybody out there that's a trader, and thank you for the links that you place in other trading locations to tell people about our analysis. Until next time, we'll catch you there in the chat room and also in the forums.